Business as an investment vehicle. In the previous module, we've talked about the hidden step, which is step 4, legal way to invest in any businesses. Amazing! Now let me share with you the killer tips for business investment success. Insurance. To secure your investment, check if the company bought any insurance. This is crucial. What if accidents happen to the company you invested in? Will the accident affect your return of investment? You might feel bad for only thinking about the money, the ROI, but it's true. Who will put in money to a company that'll generate not profit but loss? Can the whole situation be avoided in the first place? How? By buying insurance for the business. Do not compromise to things that can bring you down, especially when those things can be easily avoided. Location. Is the business you're investing in online or offline? If it is an offline business, will the location of the company affect the sales of the business? Is it accessible to the local community? If it is possible for you to pay a visit to the company you're going to invest, do it. The office. If you're visiting the office, which I strongly recommend you do, because there will be signs whether the company you're investing in has the potential and is ready for significant growth. In the next module, we'll discuss the 3 main pointers that you should be aware of when you're visiting the office.